This Jet 2 Boeing 737 entered the runway at excessive speed, causing the nose wheel to skid.
Mick Best, good afternoon. What's the smoke there? What was that?
This Delta Airbus A350 performs a short takeoff on a ferry flight without passengers. This Scoot Boeing 787 Dreamliner is in precarious condition, using duct tape to cover areas of missing paint. The crew of this Aer Lingus Airbus A330 needed 2 attempts to land successfully in stormy weather.
I knew it! She was going.